Prepare the embroidery frame and materials. Smooth out wrinkles on clothes. Fold the t-shirt in half. Make sure the shoulders of the t-shirt are aligned. Draw a line at the fold. Unfold the t-shirt. Mark a distance of 3 inches below the neckline. Cut paper to the size of the pattern. Mark the center cross on the paper. Hold down the paper and remove the ruler. Find the midpoint of the two sides. Remove the white paper. Connect the two ends and draw a cross. Put 2 layers of stabilizer inside the clothes. Then insert the embroidery frame under the stabilizer. Hook the embroidery frame. Tighten the screws. If you are going to embroider a larger design on a small neckline clothes, to prevent the neckline from being pulled while moving, we recommend installing the clothes upside down. Check if any clothes overlap. Choose the embroidery pattern. When selecting the pattern, press the F key twice to make it upside down. Choose the embroidery frame. Click the Auto Find Origin. Switch to Needle 1. Align the needle 1 with the center point. Click Contouring along design. Set the color sequence. Start embroidery. Here we added a layer of water-soluble film on the top. Remove the embroidery frame. Tear off the water-soluble film stabilizer.